Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to trade options on Wealthsimple step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Select options from the menu. You'll now see a list of the most active options available. Choose a stock you want to trade options on, for example, Tesla. Decide whether you want to do a call option or a put option. A call option means you think the stock price will go up. A put option means you think the stock price will go down. Pick your expiry date. This is how long your option will stay active. Once you've selected your option and date, tap Buy to confirm your trade. And that's it. That's how to trade options in Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.